look at a tip for the day. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the curriculum and let's see how the best way to save and enter. So what you're going to do is it's good to save always when you sign up. So let's say I'm here, I'm on the dashboard. I've saved my login, and then I just go into my dashboard and I'm going to have my courses ready. So I'm going to look at the stories. I want to get those stories up and ready. So let me close the doc so I can see where I am. I have my students and I know that we have a class coming. So I'm going to put the story one. I just click on the stories. It'll start me. Okay, it's got my progress. Now, if you want to save something really, really quickly, what I suggest we do is that you come over here where it says other bookmarks. Okay, and right click, add a folder, and write shortcuts, and save. Grab that folder, and I'm going to put it somewhere here where I can see the folder. Open the folder. It's empty, actually. No, can't open it. So I want to save this. So I'm going to have my Young Learners curriculum. It's going to be able to open a lot faster. So I'm going to put that little link right inside of my shortcuts. And then if I open my shortcuts, it'll be right there. So those are my stories. Now let's say I want to save the next one. I want to save the curriculum so that I can get to the curriculum very quickly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find my curriculum. I'm just going to go right back to my dashboard. And when I go back into the dashboard, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do the same exact thing. So once you've logged in and I just say, remember me, so it does remember me and I don't have to always sign in. I want to be able to find things faster. And I want to find the curriculum. I just click on my curriculum. It's going to bring me to my curriculum. Sometimes it takes a little while. Okay, so it tells me to start learning. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to save that link into my folder. So what this means is if I'm over here, I want to go inside. I just click, it should bring me right into the curriculum. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. Let's say I need the other one. I will be somewhere over here. Now I'm going to go into, first one was interactive stories. Now let's go into the curriculum. So when you place those shortcuts there, that will help you. And if you want to even place them on the calendar, you can do that on the calendar. So let's say I have my calendar over here, my Google Calendar. And I have my student and I want to put my student to have that curriculum open every time I'm with the student. So as you can see here, I will I'll use one of the links I have for somebody. Let's just use this link. I always save the links so that I can open them quickly. So let me just copy that link. And let's say I'm the new student. So you just press a link, say Brenda, and we want to add the location, which would be that Google Meet, Zoom link, Koalago link, SuperKid link, and then here in your description, what you can do is I'm going to put that saved course for that student. So every time I go there, I'm not going to waste time looking everywhere. It's going to be ready for me. So what I'm going to do is, I have Brenda now, and there it is. There's my link to my curriculum, and there's my link to the class. So all I'm going to have to do is click the class, and then I can click to open the curriculum. This will save you a lot of time, and this is kind of ways to make shortcuts. You can either create the shortcut up here on the top right. I always have that. I have other educational things. If I need something very quickly, I go here, and I will find them. I usually use my most loved ones up here on the top. And then when they start to get full, I have to condense them. So this is going to be our tip for today, and I hope you like this video. And this is just how to save the website and get to it quickly. Happy Sunday. Bye.